Hey everyone, Future Gardening here, and I just wanted to talk to you today about this past Florida freeze we had. And for my Florida friends, I'm sure that you're sharing the same sentiment or a similar situation. I did want to tell you that most of these did die, but the ones right up against the house did not die. They are a little bit stressed, but they made it. So I guess it's a little test of showing that tomatoes, if you plant them up near your house, can do a little bit better. But I didn't bother covering this time because unfortunately the air temperature was just so cold. I don't think it would have made a difference unless I had some kind of a heat source inside. But so I went ahead and I tore a lot of these grow bags up and repurposed the soil, and now I'm going to be starting a new row by row system setup. Just soil in the front yard for now. I am working on a new hydroponic system as well, and I'll be delving into that here probably in a week or two. But with that said and done, I got some cabbages planted today, some cucumbers. Down there I did some zucchini. Again, I'm in Florida, so I'm not too worried about anything getting down too deep anymore to hurt anything. Knock on wood, there is always a chance. But I'm going to be starting to plant more Florida native and flower varieties here to start promoting a broader range of beneficial insects that can flock to the yard and use it as a safe haven. In turn, those beneficial insects will help kill the pests and keep the garden in a more sane state, aka spider mites, aphids, different kinds of grubs and things like that. I even have nematodes. So little things like that. Going to be starting to bring more in. So got some salvia over here. Unfortunately, I forget what that one is, but it didn't do so well with the freeze. But then down there I've got some lavender, rosemary. I just wanted rosemary because it's amazing and I use it in cooking all the time. So I want to try and get a rosemary that I can grow big and bushy into a tree that I can take one big harvest every year, kind of like my bay tree. And I'm going to just be bringing in as many flowers and things like that in the front yard. And hopefully if I make the front yard a safe haven for beneficial insects, slowly over time they can use this area. And in the backyard I can start planting more heavily on the different edibles. And not that I can't hear, I'm kind of diversifying. So the next row I do, I'm probably going to do maybe every other one. I'm going to do some like companions and different flowers that bring in, I think marigold is another one I'm looking for. Sweet yarrow, that's another one I'm looking to plant. With that said and done, my heart goes out to all of you that lost a lot in this freeze. Here's my bananas. So we definitely took a hit, unfortunately, and all we can do is really just get back to it, recover, and plant stronger, and also plant smarter. Try to find crops that you can grow that they can deal with the cold a little better. Like in the back I've got a couple peaches. They were fine. They actually had buds on them and they were unaffected at all. So mangoes kind of took a little hit, and not as bad as some people, but won't be getting any mangoes this year, that's for sure. But with that said and done, guys, I'll keep this one a little more brief. I wish you all well. I wish you a wonderful Sunday. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I wish you all happy gardening. Have a good one.